Nahulog sa iyong mga mata, tila ba'y di na makawala.
Grant us, O Lord, to be one heart and one soul from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, until death do us part.
Na mahawakan ang iyong mga kamay, at sa awitin na to ay aalagaan. Ibibigay lahat, pati ang buwan.
At Toda, do you take Isa here present to be your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Ay sasabay, ikaw lang ang pipiliin. O wala nang iba, ikaw ang panalangin, ikaw ang panalangin.
Isa, do you take Antoda here present to be your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Ikaw lang ang pipiliin, o wala nang iba, ikaw ang panalangin, na makasama hanggang sa pagtenda, at lagi kong uulitin.
You have left many things behind you, but now you are facing what you have prayed for, what you have worked on, and now what God has given you.
Wala nang iba, kung panalangin ko, makasama hanggang sa pagtanda, at lagi kong uulitin, ipapalala sa'yo, ikaw ang panalangin, ikaw ang panalangin.
Anton, you may now kiss your bride.
Halos 3 bilyong tibok di nang binilang, bigla na lang silang nagkulang. Lumalala sa pagtagal ng ating pagsasama, di ko naman iniinda.
Thank you dun sa gift mo. Sana magustuhan mo din yung gift ko sa'yo.
Para saan pa ang mahabang
You will be giving yourself to many portions of your life. You will be giving yourself in intimacy, yourself during times of decision making, sa pagbibigay ng papahanap, sa pagbibigay ng oras, ng presensya at ng puso. Alam natin mas nagpapahal tayo ng totoo.
sa wakas. Nandito ka na, natakot pa ako nung simula. Sa wakas, kapiling ka na, natakot pa ako na mag-isa. Mundo kong malabo, kinulayan mo. Pare-pare, unang humayo, sigmuray di sanay na.
Shall break out from your own families to your own bidata and dalaga things. But today, Anton and Isa is a day of living.
Sa wakas, nandito ka na.
Where you left many things, maybe Anton, and here now comes Isa. Isa, you may also have left many things behind, but God has given you Anton now to enjoy and to sustain.
Simula sa wakas, kapiling ka na. Natakot pa ako na mag-isa. Mundo kong malabo, kinulayan mo.